money making challenge. So this week I am doing the money making challenge. Welcome back to my channel. This is another money making challenge. I did one end of last year and I am on it again. Rob Moore from Rob Progressive Success Disruptors is making another weekly money making challenge. So he's provided with like a document how to make cash fast. There are prizes to win and like ways to level up our lives. So that is incredible, right? So on this opportunity, my current plan is to try to sell as much as I can my service, personal training, online coaching. Now I know quite a few principles in NLP and positive psychology, so I would love to help you out level up your mindset. And guys, as corny as it sounds, where the focus goes, energy flows, and the results come from that. Everybody has a fraction of reality. Reality is unlimited. There's so many possibilities. Everybody gets like a fraction of 0.032, even rounded up to whooping 1%. It is nothing, guys. It is nothing. It is not about who is right, who is wrong. It's about, is this serving you well? Because if you have a problem in one area of your life and all you see in that area is problems, even rounded up to 1%, 99% chances to see different picture. So as you see, it's kind of like the white on black. And this precise, look at my kitty, this top is inspired, oh my god. And it is now available on Beefcake Collective, and I'm gonna give you 10% discount to incentivize you because I'm on that challenge. Another thing that I'm gonna be selling is like things I'm not sure I'm gonna try. I don't know if I can sell this, but more than I need of cream with ibuprofen in it and some acne medications like epidural and antibiotics for acne, like meclizine. So I'm gonna try to sell it on eBay if it's allowed. And then I'm selling my coaching, and I would like you to join my Patreon. There are some documents how to make 10,000 a week. There are documents on some PEDs and peptides. I'm soon starting another community specifically for, well, not specifically, for business people who want to match their mindset, the physique, and the success. So narrow down to female entrepreneurs to start, because we're facing different challenges that like men don't necessarily. So that's gonna be good to address, but also I'll be talking about business in that. So yeah, I will be announcing that soon. So far I have on Patreon the paid community, which you can join for $5 a month. It's not a lot. It's like your daily coffee, just once a month, and you're gonna get awesome information. So guys, I incentivize you to, even if you're not in the challenge, make a challenge for yourself. Tell me your goals, say how you're gonna achieve it, and help me out with mine. Let's go, team.